Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ram. This is the first of a series concerning IT. I hope that you will enjoy and you will learn. If you'd like to keep following this, hit the subscribe button. Then stay tuned because I'll be posting more. Let's dive into it. So, we'll be talking about how to change your operating system from Ubuntu to Windows. This is how you do it. Step 1. Check the system requirements of the computer or the laptop with Ubuntu. Step 2. Yes, make sure you load the operating system, Windows 10 or 11, whichever you choose to install, onto a DVD or a USB drive. Step 3. You're supposed to check the BIOS so that you see whether it's set to boot from the USB or it is set to boot from the hard disk directly. So this is how you do it. You start the computer or the laptop, hit the F2 button, then the setup is supposed to appear, BIOS setup. Then you're supposed to go to the boot tab to change the order. Once you do that, you're ready to start booting. Save the changes in the BIOS and then automatically the laptop or the computer PC will boot up. I hope you have learned a few things. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the subscribe button at the bottom and tune in for more. Thank you very much.